Hi. No. No, it made me restart my whole video. Well, I had adopted this kid right here. Hi. And then I accidentally went to my house. And it made me, I had teleported to my house and it didn't take me with him. It ended up getting sad. I'm sorry. Child, I seriously did not mean to do that to you. I feel so bad. I wouldn't try and unadopt him. You walked away from me? Fine. Walk away. But I loved you. Why am I singing? Jack, what are you doing here? Where's my house? What the? Ugh, where the heck is my house? You know what? I'm just gonna teleport to my house. Teleport. Where is it? How does it look like? I just passed it. Okay. Never mind. I look kind of cute. Kind of mostly ugly. But I don't care. I just like being... Okay, so I'm gonna edit my house. Now, do tour when it's done. Okay, so I just realized that I didn't show you guys. Okay, so I picked that, like that. Done. This. Done. This. Done. Inside my sink, it's purple. Done. The windows, didn't care about it. Except this window, that window was for my baby. Black windows. My bed, done. Lamp. Okay. Okay, I want the best part last. What is this? A shower, done. Sink, done. The best thing, the toilet. Oh no, don't sit on it. I'm not using that. It's yellow. Potato. I want to adopt a child. What the heck? Oh, I don't speak Spanish, babies. I would, but I don't speak Spanish. I don't speak Spanish. I don't speak Spanish. Or however you say it. I don't understand you kids. I mean, like, do you want me to hold you? I mean, like, no. No. Oh, yay, I got a baby. You are so cute. Okay, you know what? I need to run. I need to get my baby home. Huh? Run! Huh? Why are you stopping? Run! Run, run, run. There you go. We're going to Mama's house. Good, good, good. Now, where is Mama's house? Does Mommy know where? Baby! 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 Oh, seriously, these two nasty couples. They're only children. I seriously don't get it. Okay, well, since my child left me, I gotta go get in it. What the heck are you wearing? Child? Hi? I don't speak Spanish. Why don't you kids understand? I'm looking for another child, because one child, left me. No. Don't want you. I want this little girl. She looks really sweet and cute. Nah. Not ready for a child. I'm a teen. I just want to find a boyfriend so I can adopt a child with. But I can't find one. Hi? Why am I so short? I've seen him somewhere. Trying to remember where. At a house party. Now I remember. What is she? What are you doing? Hi. Oh my god. He just ran away from me. Oh my god. I'm so sad. He ran away from me. Oh, I need a pen. Yeah. Okay, some time has passed and I just recently bought this house. She's saving up. This lady wanted me to buy this house. Hi. I'm the owner of this house. I guess not. Okay, that was weird. I was choking. Oh, you gonna say hi again? You look really pretty. We could be like sisters. Oh my god.